episode for higher GC News. Bima Ubibia Aquaba had the latest hot and qua enamere Bramo. Erunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The bayan say over click a year subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We answer video for be upload on when the first person once ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee. Share my wafufro so na when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo hanom afi ye hwe eye somewhere abeto ye pono so yiti eye sa nkomo ya ba beto ya sa report mama yiti
Anas versus Kennedy Agyapong on defamation sa case ye din Ghana ama court Ato Anas ne suit na guse asemo a kan kai no on defamation no kwa
sure
Emma judge no describe Anas say investigative terrorist then no Anno mo kan was say Asante defamation no more Anno time asem ni call
say ba sa na sa no na ba mo nti
yes or they call US na US system no ya na jury no edoso nti omo putu 8-member
8-member jury
Anno mo ye na jury bia no judge na okra asem no emma mo direction ye mamo terms of reference what you should do what you should not do Anno omo ye ade no eti jury di wie ni case no na chese omo atra omo bounce akwa awodo niam bia nka omo need that number 2 Kennedy Agyapong ne evidence or the call especially the court ruling ni ade anka say omo botie no omo antie
oh really
yes eti omo ba be ya de no Kennedy Agyapong lawyer raise mistra say niam bi ankoyi judge no sustaining that of the mistrial. Number 2, obisa jury no say punitive measures near there na almost ya all the way 8 million ya all the way 5 and ya all the way 5 into all 18 million na judge ne say one direct almost eti okaye no omoka say ebia ye suggest Anas Afenyo ni eba be hwa nka problem ni mu eti omo kasa no say omo akọ beyond what he directed them to do eti judge no dismiss jury now jury decision no enye final judgment enye final judgment eti publication e koso ni ade nyina no eye propaganda
I see
eye propaganda eti judge no amomo 30 days for Ken's lawyers to submit or more argument and answer opinion whatever etire say adwuma no mo ye no eye mistra anu ama Anas lawyer so say 30 days say ono so and submit say enye mistra eti hono mo na answer judge no betena say na wama you can say final judgment
on the case, on the defamation case.
It's not in record of the court. Say your judgment is Kennedy Agyapong, you're finding no 18 million.
So where from the 18 million issue? $18 million.
Nipana or no issue or issue defamation was or damages of can I say
$80 million.
80 million. Now, media me can be about law. I don't know. But lawyers, when you say omunimpa, surgery, or more make a decision, it's not a judgment. Until a judge reads a judgment and say, I've awarded you this. Now, some mistrial a year or more raising and so a great issue and so more. I didn't in a jury. Sa evidence we mwanhwe adentina mwanye we ene ne guy kan so hu ne.
But this is a story I'm also seeing. As investigative journalist Anas Aremeyaw Anas has secured a significant legal victory in the United States, winning an $18 million US dollars defamation lawsuit against former Ghanaian Member of Parliament, Asin Central, Kennedy Agyapong. The verdict was delivered by jury in Exeter County, New Jersey. The lawsuit filed on May 17, 2022. The County Superior Court accused Kennedy Agyapong and media personality Frederick Samoa of making defamatory statements against Anas Aremeyaw Anas during an episode of the Daddy Fred Show, an online program popular among Ghanaian audience in the United States. During the program, Kennedy Agyapong allegedly made a series of damaging and false claims, including accusing Anas of being criminal, a thief, responsible for murder of investigative journalist Ahmed Swale. So, fast forward, the court document highlighted several significant allegations made by Kennedy Agyapong, including false claiming that Anas has been convicted of crime in Ghana. That is crimes in Ghana. Accusing Anas of orchestrating Ahmed Swale's murder. Asserting that Anas was responsible for the death of multiple Chinese nationals in Ghana. Labeling Anas as a thief. This U.S. legal triumph came after a setback of Anas in Ghana, where he had an earlier pursued a defamation case against Kennedy Agyapong in 2018. Anas had sought a 25 million Ghana cedis in damage, citing defamatory material published by Kennedy Agyapong. However, Accra High Court ruled against Anas on March 15, 2023, citing that the investigative method reassembled investigative terrorism rather than legitimate journalism. It's said in our work, but the award 18 million anytime I read it, that's very particular.
And I say, sad piece way a propaganda.
I see.
The actual judgment in a bar. That's a judge, you know, a sustain. He say, yes, Kokutia. Nothing who say judgment aba. What you say?
Okay.
It's a jury make a decision. Or no doesn't mean say it's a final judgment.
So oko on your online. I don't know, but I think, sir, I need a proper interpretation of this very particular story. Sir, investigative journalist Anas Aremeyaw Anas has won an $18 million US defamation lawsuit against former Kennedy Agyapong. What does it mean?
From court to now, Anas Bediatuo ho na you say Adwoa chagum.
Okay.
Adwoa bia day publish it. What him say Ghana so there asem no to ho a amount for enye can say proper checks.
Yeah, sure.
Any ade.
Sure.
No obia efa, no obia efa any ne kai ka. So but
I understand to send your work. I say the last part of the story. I say meanwhile the jury's ruling is yet to be approved otherwise by the presiding judge.
So what is the meaning of winning 18 million or winning 80 million? So on the
yes.
It is a final, you can say final judgment, you know. That's a judge in it, and I say no cases as a mujina a year rodo harassment, wabogua. Afena ujina be away. So on the eternal. Let us see to say for now a propaganda piece.
Sure.
And the namu judgment, you know, MIA. The same case, same ways that was what you should know. Our superior courts here say what actually because based on the fact now, defendant, you know, a present here, any idea, you know, as some worker, no, it's not far from you can say right. And you know what actually. 2 months later, no one sorry say all the US abrochire. Obunkonko di ehwa no manse boma. Say abrochire for there omo hwe crib, omo no omo nim. The way a niama esiko.
Omo ntitwi.
Eja twi no pese kra. What we say echire na no ayi Kennedy chire mu abi ehu say the djuma no ye entrapment. What you say?
Sure.
Because me ma ba Kojo ho na say Kojo mame bribe see edi ngomo.
Yeah, sure.
Eti ne maka ne Kojo aka. Esa obodi yina de eti. That enti na se me kaba ko oh me hia $10,000 na me de no abo de Kojo kan de wo mo na fe wo na wo ma commentary on it. What kind of business no eti comment na wo ma no ene na manfo tie na Hopeson kokwaje bribe and wo ye say but nkomodu mu di na bibia di ho Kojo kan ya eye den e ba abonte eti I don't know ye de kwanfa eti amanfo enka omakuma ento omuyem te say 30 days no beso na judge na tenase na chese wama the final verdict on this eti for now no 3 days as a propaganda piece
Mati
nipa mi onhwe omuma mama de say wo a ensesa ne ebesesa ye body no ada say obeye blow to kakra na say wo hu de no na wadi mu de say ensesa sa hwe we muma na hwe we muma the difference no e clear other way what the makeup kama omumye ni na twa makeup wo de hwe omukon kra so omunyi na twa makeup kama enso who's a difference kese pa wo de no eti adene de parliament and say wo mutimi yenhwehwemu.
It's a very dangerous thing.
So mutimi yenhwehwemu na say ode de foreign for kra no mkwa for mo aba ya wo munye na say hu say enye sa say yetimi twenkrofo aso kwan mo ene de no baye the leadership at that time say emrati mini omudi
the leadership of is it
the then majority are no more pushing the 11
okay
so on it because entimi mase
when there was a speaker you were mashas parliament omuna they say ensure say you have the correct so making sure say these people or your MP and all buy into the chamber
na wa betra chamber no on sorry so obekasa ebede na speaker
beyond the speaker
wasashe nose mask
say o mashas wo ho ntimi
na adan mashas wa obi a share nose mask ba obi nose mask na esa branti
esa say you sure say o MP ampa say you sure say
o ba wa kokko na bi o be gra me ka say bi gra na majority leader gra gitarensa me nka sa o but ebia o gra nza no ne nam ado o mu bonko mo no makwa wuram eti o be kan say o be den no aka say hey stop let me search you Anas Aremeyaw
it's a dangerous issue
but the thing is that who say sad na course nyina no fraudulent so eti say na nipa ni ho ani akwakofa obi a onso oath say obeye adwuma magana obekipu bibia anamude ne baye dia na ye serious issue nti esese emra chese agencies are omuye responsible some be investigate side way no now a nipa nankasa ba be bie na no akasa no esese omutimi hwehwem so that ombetima take serious measures against this enyesa ebeka ho anytime bia no obi abetima smoge obi awuram no makwakoye ne esese
exactly the point
omo ye etino buenuma entoho keke se speaker anche ya moma na nche se mame na kasa eye video enye hie se wakoka okukuo bi mu na me ba beka eye video ewo ho no
me mom de Godwin Mr. obetumi a check ye were the 2 videos the one ye the interview her and the other one
that time pressure na da no so ni ade no ontimi meka se enye ono Afenyo ade no ho
I didn't know
Akufo Addo aman
no because I mean it was obvious to say they were not going to allow her to contest or to win power again
na da enye o man dey chire no omukoko manu koko lusu primaries no portals so on there no eti ene de me I will call for the law enforcement agencies no say omo enye speaker indirectly no munye sa can say investigations no because parliament ewo videos no wo I mean from 1992 me sure say all the settings pa ubenya eti they should be able to analyze it and make sure more established. You see, Wabuni we say I don't know the better now. They know. But that time NDC minority, they are then away. You are not in charge of You can say the nation. You cannot even direct say ye just say Anasi say.
But is it also possible say Adwoa Safo bit me direct say omo yusu obi e de ahye na nto bit me amoma chidipa krona na.
Obetimi. Why not? Obetimi.
Yeah.
So no dey me say investigation shasia. So omo no so mbefre no. Won tena fie. Ni ya question o, ya the videos no ato ho 2 pictures ne dey ato ho. Ni e wo hin na ye wo. Me ka kire omo say ni mienu nyina eyemia. Then they take it from there. Anameboa. Pictures ya mudi to ayisu.
Yeah, because they
ya bisa emu ni hin na ye wo a. Eti wa appoint anasa o ka say ni mienu nyina ye wo a. Then they take it from there.
Yeah, sure.
Because apart from the parliament, you know, time awo baneta mawo ye TikTok wo brochire ni ade no afoforo ni na ehun pictures na ehun ayi wo. Eti o be twini na no mu de asala ni ahwe say adenti na we nko ade eye different. Omo ma ye Fráud wa adenti na ha say de omo ma so a. Ukomu emu wa mu atwitwa kama adenti na we de ekon no mu ye tietia. Ni e bisa no wa kire. Eti say wo kire na say otimi convince omo a. No fa ho adi na wo ko. O ti ase. Wo ko na say o ka say oh that way dey dabi enyemia ane ye de obi na kokko share banan. Na mom me ba ye no pressure isi mi so ntino. Me ntimi ma me ka say enyemia. Eni ade a na je say wanya ho so na wo ko. Enye sa pa dia this case I don't think say speaker Gbavin ehwe eba no kwa because ono na the speaker wotimu a
yes, and that brings me to the fact to say I hear the credibility issue will be at stake.
That's right.
I mean
the whole parliament and just say Akufo the whole parliament.
Yeah, I mean
because if it's established say eh yetimi de obi awura ehifa country ben Anas Aremeyaw the basic.
I so betimi ahye me nose mask granted me akwakosi MPB anan.
That's right. That's right.
That is
Adam is so mwanya. Look, NDC is in majority.
Yeah, sure.
Debia, omo nkrofo be say, eyi bi eni honom ni ehia nipa bi enu bi amomo asoso a. The beti ma she Kojo nose mask o.
That's also the MP pattern.
O beti ma she nose mask o.
Yeah, you the makeup one.
Yeah, man na gbada no wa she ni che. Eti o.
Me party you say ya dey am. Mama me we assistant me. No, I won't do it.
Party here go.
No.
Check.
I won't do it. Everything I was okay, sir.
But at that point,
Enyan rusundi na wo gaza no.
So, but
as I said to me, Kabusa Adeno, say, happy beam. Say, happy beam, dear near Beya, happy beam. As I say, yet to be film, na ye queenie passo, or don't know, dear, a bit to me, Abanako. Otchere interview na. Utimu say, just a pour out, na channel so. Any other. Who said who would yaw, Ankasa, and the guy. That is Samuel way na Etimakoso. So Bakaya, walk as a munzunu. Yes, Anas Aremeyaw 1 year now in Hono. Was it a get ready near the money or Hopeson? What actually?
What are they actually?
Obia. That was your minister, Agyapong. And yes, you take oversight responsibility or honor. Na yetimi disa minister ne sikasa account ho dia ani omo hwehwem say no kra say no kra dia na ye serious
just the 8th parliament ni be bre ne sisi ye so be kai a Yero Kojokum no ye minister for chieftaincy a Hunter West the same ye levy ade ya ye need to ambulance move fit akra de eba betu na our country ko Ghana
we are amaka chen say ye ba be levy free
yo it for we a reporter abato ye pono so make out say so when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we be hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum oso betimi atchere wadwen afa ye ensemo nyina ho ewo comment box mu mobati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.